Looking for a new way to engage your followers? Our Instagram puzzle feed template is the perfect solution. Did you know that a lot of businesses and influencers on Instagram are struggling to create regular content? Often, there is not enough time in the day or they just don't have many ideas. Well, good news. This Instagram puzzle feed template is an easy solution for this problem also. With this fully editable template, you can create a unique puzzle feed that will keep your followers coming back for more. It's easy to use and comes with 15 pieces of content so you can change up the layout whenever you want. You don't have to be an expert designer or spend hours on Photoshop anymore, just download our template and start editing in Canva. This template is designed specifically for Instagram, so it looks great no matter what device people are using. Plus, we offer free updates as well as unlimited support if you need help getting started. Click the link below now to purchase our Instagram puzzle feed template.